Hey everybody, it's me Irene. I have another unbagging from Daniel from Lassen Lathe Works on Facebook. He also has an Etsy store. So I ordered this custom because I fell in love with this pen. I've seen it on a few people's pages and I was just like, yes, I have to have that pen. So let's get into it. Without showing our addresses. Okay, so this is an invoice, and this was my most expensive pen that I've purchased. You can see it was $29. Shipping was $3.89, tax $301, a total of $36.89. So that is that. But nobody cares about that. So, and this is his business card. I really like that design he chose. Very nice. And this is the back. It came wrapped tissue paper. I thought I was gonna get that cute little black bag. But wow, there it goes. Look at that. So this is the silver foil, and it has these 3 little bumps over here. Came with a 6-placer, single placer. Look at all those foils in there. How beautiful. And I asked for it to be a little on the thicker side because I like these pens a little thicker. I don't really like them when they're too thin. So I always request my customs to be a little thicker. But how beautiful. So I believe this is hand poured resin, and then he adds the foil pieces into the resin and creates the blank for you. That's why it's a little on the pricier side, but it's so worth it. So what I did was I contacted him through Facebook and I asked to have this custom made, and then he sent me a link through Etsy to place the order through Etsy. And shipping was fast, and he was very fast with this. I thought it was going to take a lot longer, maybe a week and a half. It was done, and then it took 3-4 days to get shipped out to me. I think I would have had it yesterday, which was the 4th of July, but clearly it was the 4th of July, so I think that's the reason why I received it today. But I'm pretty sure if it wasn't a holiday, I would have received it on July 4th, which was yesterday. But yes, I love this. He has some very beautiful designs, like very unique design shapes that he creates. Shapes that I never even seen other pages or anyone else create, and that's what I really like about his pens. And yeah, his craftsmanship is amazing. I really like that. But unfortunately, I found him a little too late because I made a a little, I told myself I wouldn't buy any more pens for a while. So this is gonna be my last edition for now. But I don't think I'm gonna be purchasing for quite a bit. But when I do, it's gonna definitely be from him, because I really like his craftedness. I love all these designs that he came up with. He has this new one actually. He has a poll on his Facebook page, as a matter of fact, right now, requesting like us to give him ideas on what to call it. And I really like the lamppost one because it reminds me of a lamppost. But yes, that is it. I don't think I'm gonna be ordering for a little while. I think I have enough of a collection. This is pen number 8, I think. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope. This is lucky number 10. So these are all of my pens. All my acrylic pens. Oh, he almost ran away. So that's dolphin tails, blue and white. The foil, ice princess, yellow citrine. This one is blue ice. This one is moonlight pebbles, sapphire mesh. That's my hybrid. And this one is glowing neon. And then these little ones are my keychain minis. And then of course the famous pink one, which hasn't been getting much love from the diamond community lately. But yeah. So if you guys like this pen, please go check out his store. His work is amazing. So he's on Etsy. He's also on Facebook. He actually commented super fast back to me. So he even has like a disclaimer on his page. If he doesn't answer you within, I believe it's 24 hours or 2 days or something like that, to message him again. But I messaged him once and he got back to me very fast. But thank you guys for watching my other unboxing, and have an amazing day. Happy diamond painting, guys. Bye bye.